In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix jail payment not receiving. So if you're not being able to receive the jail payment, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you have to do is verify your enrollment. The sender and recipient must be registered with the jail and the payment will go through. Otherwise, the payment will not go through. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Tell the sender to re-verify the email or phone number used for the transaction. If there are any typos, simply correct it. After that, you should be able to receive the payment. Likewise, what you can do is simply try checking the bank account. Ensure the account linked to the jail is active and not frozen. If you're using the jail application, you can also try updating the application. If you update the app, the bugs of the application will be fixed and your problem can also be fixed. But if you're using the browser, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the browser. So for that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, click on this option, delete browsing data. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to delete the browsing data. At top, select the time period. Now make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files is selected. Now click on this option, delete data. Now after you do that, this data will be deleted. After that, your problem should be solved and you should be able to receive the payment. But still, if your problem is not solved, what you have to do is simply contact the support. If you want to contact the jail support, click on this option, help center. After you do that, you'll be able to search for the articles related with your problem. But it is better to contact the bank itself. If the payment is completed but not received, what you have to do is contact your bank. After that, your bank will look into the issue and your problem should be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix jail payment not receiving. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.